Just breathe. That's the other one that we hear a lot. Just breathe.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now.
We're here at New York Mountains. We're just some, random campsite. A little windy last night, so that would be the only downside, but other than that, it's a beautiful site.
Today, we're hoping to make it for sure through the rest of Section 3 and into Prim, where there's a Walmart and we can get Josh a butt cushion. And then up to the absolute priority. And then up to the Coliseum Mine. We're super excited for the hill climb to that. Anything you want to add, Josh?
All right.
Forget the butt cushion.
All right.
Well, we're in Prim, Nevada. We just finished Route 3, and we're moving on to Route 4 today. This is our third day, technically, on the California BDR. The first day was kind of a really short day because we were commuting from Apple Valley. Anyway, we're in Prim, and we're having some lunch and got some gas, and then we're going to head on Route 4. Route 3 was really good. I really liked SEMA Road with all the Joshua trees. Evening Star Mine was really cool to check out. I sent myself down to see what the holdup was. We did it! We did it! Day 3, Section 4.
Day 3, Section 4.
We're doing really well. A little bit ahead of schedule, I think, right?
I think we're about right on time. We got 6 days to do 8 sections.
We're ahead of schedule.
I think so. Oh, Kris decided we're ahead. So we are. So today we had a debate in the helmets. There's a section after the gates where we had lots of big rocks, and then followed by deep sand and deep rocks.
Hey, it's a good foot deep.
Maybe a foot, and it's a mixture of the sand and the rock.
Yeah, it's at least a foot.
Deep sand.
Deep gravel.
Gravel.
Yeah, it's
All
like
of
a
it.
gravel sand mix that's super, super squishy.
And it was probably even deeper than Section 1. I think we agreed it was deeper than the 8 miles of sand.
Agreed.
Yep.
That was a challenge, that road. that covered all the bases.
And
Everything
Kris,
you could ask for.
Kris had a little wipeout,
Yes.
and she's fine. Nothing wrong.
Which triggered a conversation about what kind of terrain we all prefer to ride on.
Yeah, so these two prefer the rocky with the washes and just the rocks everywhere. I tend to prefer the sand, and so we decided that I'm in the minority.
Yes. Of both the world of all riders and us.
I said it before the CABDR with some hesitation that I love sand, and like this route has really solidified that fact for me. I still really love riding in sand.
Well, that's good because there's lots of sand.
So much sand.
So much sand.
The good part is I also love riding in the sand, and every day I discover one new thing I'm supposed to do that I have forgotten the other days. So I think I'm up to 5 things that you need to do riding in the sand. So it's what? Well, head and eyes up. Sorry, I was already up to 6 things. Dang it. Baby birds, right? Loose on the handlebars.
What does baby birds
That
even
means
mean?
like pretend you're holding baby birds. If you think baby birds, you're not going to want to crush them.
Okay.
If you're me.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, see?
I had no context for what baby birds
You've
meant.
been
I thought
saying
you were
that
just
all
crazy.
day, and I was like, I don't know if she's trying to
Kris is
distract
crazy.
herself, or I kept hearing baby birds, but it all makes sense now.
There's either swearing in the helmet or baby birds. Lean back, baby birds.
Right, okay.
Just breathe.
That's number 3.
Just breathe. That's the other one that we hear a lot. Just breathe.
There's a lot of chatter in my head.
Or the F word.
For that.
Yes.
And then the 5th thing I realized after that last video you took of me is like, if I lift my elbows up, everything smooths out. Which people have been telling me for years. 6th thing, I don't know, I lost track. Kind of like the days.
Yeah.
Kris is a solid 2 or 3 finger. 6 things is a lot for a Kris.
A lot of things. It's like the rocks. You just pretend they're not there. The end.
Okay. That's one really great thing about the CABDR so far for me is that it's kind of testing all of your abilities. You have a little bit of everything.
But there is a lot of nothing, and it's great. I love it. I came into it surprised, going like, we're in the middle of the desert, and there's a lot of desert to cover.
Oh my gosh, remember the power line road?
Oh. I was like up past the horizon, like it was just a straight line into oblivion.
And section
Oh my God.
Section 2 was just like desert after desert, just straight, as far as you could see, 50 miles of straight desert. And then the other thing was, like Paul said, there is some sand on it, and you should be comfortable riding in sand. I wouldn't call it some sand. I would call it a crap load of sand.
Yes, it's a lot of sand.
So much sand.
So much sand. Practice riding in the sand.
Yes.
You will need it.
Sand and rocks. If you can do sand and rocks, you're good.
Yeah.
I was impressed, though, that we all got up the Coliseum mine. I mean, like, there were some tip-overs, but nobody had any major wipeouts. We didn't break any bike part. Well, we broke a little bit of
Someone
bike
broke
parts.
my windshield.
Usually faults are my fault. Ask Nathan.
No, there's a reason I stood up on the top of the drone. I want to be part of that falling crew.
My major reflection of the day is how much I love traveling with these two. Like, it has just been, like, we spent 1,000 miles in a truck together and 3 full days connected on intercoms and never, like, any annoyance. Like, it's just been fun and jokes and laughter and, like, encouragement. I am just, like, I don't know if you guys would say the same thing about me, but I'm delighted to be traveling with the
I
two
am
of you.
delighted too.
Yeah.
I was just saying everything is going really, really wonderfully.
Yeah, like Justin Bradshaw said, you got to have the right partners on a BDR or a rafting trip or any of those. It's people that have their stuff together. Good attitude, know what they're doing, willing to roll with the punches. That's totally what we got here.
Yeah.
What other thoughts do we have from the day? Or from the BDR?
That table has dessert.
That table has dessert.
I'm going to go join them.
It looks really good.